Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we are talking about KMU-CAT first test 2025 solved MCQs. Dear students, if you need MCQs for KMU-CAT test preparation, let me know in the comment section. अगर आपको KMU-CAT टेस्ट प्रिपरेशन के लिए MCQs चाहिए तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में बता सकते हैं. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज से KMU-CAT सेकेंड टेस्ट के लिए तैयारी शुरू कर लें ताकि बाद में कोई कन्फ्यूज़न ना हो. अगर आप KMU-CAT टेस्ट के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है. इस वीडियो को आखिर तक ज़रूर देखें. The number of protons in an atom is called option A mass number, B atomic number, C neutron number, and option D valency. So the correct option is B atomic number. Explanation is the atomic number is the number of protons in the nucleus defining the element. So this is very important MCQs. The smallest particle of an element that can take part in chemical reaction. Option A electron, B atom, C molecule, and option D proton. So the correct option is B atom. Explanation is an atom is the smallest unit of an element that retains its chemical properties and can participate in reactions. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from early technologist. Which group in the periodic table contains the most reactive non-metal? Option A alkali metal, B halogen, C noble gases, and option D transition metals. So the correct option is B halogens. Halogens group 17 are highly reactive nonmetals due to their high electronegativity. A bond formed by the sharing of electrons is called option A ionic bond, B covalent bond, C hydrogen bond, and option D metallic bond. So the correct option is B covalent bond. The covalent bonds involve electron sharing between atoms, for example H2O and CH4. The process by which a solid changes directly into a gas is called option A evaporation, B sublimation, C condensation, and option D melting. So the correct option is B sublimation. Dry ice CO2 sublimates at room temperature. So this is very important MCQs. A pH of 7 indicates that a solution is dash. Option A acidic, B basic, C neutral, and option D amphoteric. So the correct option is C neutral. pH is 7 is the neutral pH. For example pure water. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें. A reaction in which heat is absorbed is called option A exothermic, B endothermic, C combustion, and option D neutralization. So the correct option is B endothermic. Endothermic reactions absorb heat. For example, photosynthesis. Oxidation involves the dash. Option A, gain of electrons, B, loss of electrons, C, gain of protons, and option D, loss of neutrons. So the correct option is B, loss of electrons. Oxidation is the process by which a substance loses one or more electrons. An electrochemical cell, oxidation occurs. Option A, anode, B, cathode, C, A and B, and option D, electrolyte. So the correct option is A, anode. The anode is where oxidation occurs, loss of electrons. The first law of thermodynamics is related to option A, entropy, B, conservation of energy, C, enthalpy, and option D, free energy. So the correct option is B, conservation of energy. Energy cannot be created or destroyed, only converted. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर करें. The rate of a reaction depends on option A, temperature, B, concentration, C, catalyst, and option D, all of the above. So the correct option is D, all of the above. Reaction rates are influenced by temperature and catalysts. So this is last MCQs. An alpha particle is the same as option A, a helium nucleus, B, an electron, C, a proton, and option D, a neutron. So the correct option is A, a helium nucleus. Thank you for watching my videos.